Create new folder on the desktop. Copy and paste files in the folder created. Create video merge.py Python file in which we are going to code. Open the PowerShell or command prompt. Now install moviepy library in your PC by using PowerShell or command prompt. I have already installed the library before, so it will say requirements satisfied. Now let's start coding in our Visual Code. From moviepy library we will import video clips because we want to work with video clips, and then concatenate video clips because we want to merge videos. After that we will take variables as clip1 and clip2 where we would be giving the names of the files later on. Enter the exact name of the file into the variables now. Now let's just code. preferred video file is created over here by our Python program. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for further updates.